Okay, here we are back on the S5 today. I found rotors that will fit with those calipers. We'll get the car up in the air and the tires off, and we'll get into what rotors fit and all that good stuff. So for now, let's get her off the ground.
12 seconds later.
Alright, so first thing we got to do, we're going to take this caliper off, pull this rotor off, and then we're going to test fit to make sure I'm right with what I'm trying here. So let's get this caliper off and we'll keep going.
Sure.
So these are the new old ones.
Okay.
I did a set of brakes on a friend's car. So they're just going to be used for test fit. I'll get new ones once we know that they fit. So just clean them up a little bit more and we'll get them on the car. Alright, so like I said, this is just for test fitting. I'm not going to be driving around with these old crusty rotors on.
Make sure you
There
look
you
at the
go.
camera.
Rotor up now. Let's grab the caliper. Let's see how she fits.
Yep. Hopefully it fits. It does fit. Excellent. Fits just like a glove.
Point it. Pay attention. Hold it straight up and down. Okay. There we go. Zip them up quick.
Mhm.
Ouch, my head.
Okay, that was loud.
Alright, so she fits. You can see, it's really dark. Let's get a light. You hold the light like this. Hey, you can see in there, pads line up properly. And out here,
Other side?
same thing, pads line up good. Now let's see if the wheel is going to clear the caliper.
How about we just leave it like that? Oh, that stands out. That stands out.
Alright, we clear. We got lots of room. So it's these wheels, and I got a 15 mil spacer, and you got plenty of room.
Can I go there? We have quite
Look
some.
at that.
Yeah, that looks nice. Nice, nice, nice.
Alright, so this is just a quick to let you guys know that they fit. So these calipers are from a 2018 Q5. I'll try and slam a picture with the part number for them if you want. And then the rotors are 320 mil rotors from an A4, A5, whatever has 320s. So there you go. Do that, get them bled, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Catch you on the next one.